Hello and welcome. Today we're going to go over how to install a bathroom sink drain. Now this sink drain here is a clicker style drain and they come with a gasket that goes underneath this. However, I don't like to use that gasket because what it'll do is it'll elevate the drain slightly and then you get water that's always going to pool around the drain. It's only a little bit, but I find it stains and I would just rather do this. Now some people are going to say use plumber's putty. I've been using silicone for over 20 years now, and I just prefer it. I trust it. So here we'll go back underneath the sink, and this is the bottom that connects to it. And you don't have to put a little bit of silicone on this, but I like to anyways, just as a little bit of insurance on it. You can see here, just turning it, and then I'll put a little bit more. Now you can do this first, but the reason I do it at this stage is because it doesn't get everywhere, basically put. So I wait till I get it threaded on halfway, and then I'll put just a little bit on it. Well, that's a lot actually, but usually just a little bit. But a lot's not going to hurt anything. You can always wipe it off afterwards. And once this drain is connected with the silicone, you can test it. However, I always recommend giving it as much time as possible before you're using it on a daily basis. So here we're cleaning up the rest of the silicone on top. It's not that hard to do. Just go over it. I love these blue rags. And once you get it all cleaned up, then we can show you how to install the top portion of it. And here it just threads in, and as simple as clicking it stops it.